We'll show you how to build an HVAC website on the WordPress platform. This theme will be built within a day in several phases in this tutorial, and we'll be using a pre-purchased template to do the majority of the heavy lifting and then customize it based on a specific city for this example, but it could be applied to any city in the world. And so we're going to go ahead and start off by uploading the pre-purchase template and install it. Once it is uploaded, we'll go ahead and go to activate. Once activated, you'll need to go and install the plugins that came with it. Install. Sometimes there's errors, so you're gonna have to go and manually install some of these one by one. So, looks like this has already happened. So we're gonna do the one that's most important, and we're gonna start with install the one-click demo import. Let's see if this happens. Okay, so it looks like they are installing, but they are just having some issues. So we're just going to go through each of these one by one. And once they're all installed, we're going to go ahead and activate them. Okay, looks like they're all installed and activate now. Okay, let's see. We'll go to plugins and see if they're all activated. Sometimes you're gonna need to connect Elementor depending on the type of template you have pre-purchased. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to go back to WordPress and make sure the plugins that we need have all been installed. Okay, there we go. So now we need to go ahead and we need to go to import demo data. And so as you can see here, there are a few different options. We're going to preview the demo. There's the 3 different variations. This is the first one. This is the second one. And this is the third one. So let's look at some of these service pages. Most likely the service pages will all be the same. Yeah, it's just that the home page is different. So we're gonna, there we go. We're gonna go with the third one just for this demo. Import demo data. We're gonna select all of these and go to continue import. Just gonna wait shortly while this gets imported. Generally takes about a few minutes for this all to get imported and ready to edit. Sometimes from time to time, you can go to that page. Let's see. Okay, looks like maybe part of it has been done. Let's give it a few more minutes and make sure that everything is uploaded correctly. You can skip ahead to the part once it's actually finished imported and we start setting up the pages correctly, if you'd like. Okay, sometimes it has errors, so we're gonna go ahead and see if it's already been uploaded or not. So you go to customize, and then you go to homepage settings. You switch this from a static page to looks like it has not uploaded yet. So we'll continue to wait.